Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Access. In this module, I want to show you how you can join text to field information. The feature is called concatenation, and I'm going to do it on a report. So let's just recap. The table I want to do it on or use is the customers table. If I open this up, this is the customers table, and I want to use this as my report. Now, if I close this down and just create a report based on that, in design, create report design, and then I need to attach that. So if I go to all, record source is going to be customers, TBL customers, that one. Now I can close that down and get myself the fields up. So normally if you bring a field on, so if I bring the first name field on and then the surname field on, like that, when I look at that, you can see that it's got all this information there, a box and another box. And if the name, mainly the surname probably, is bigger than that box, it would be cut off, it would be truncated. So that's what I want to avoid by just joining it together using concatenation. Now if I go back into design on this, just delete those fields off, get rid of them. What you have to do is use an AB box and draw it quite big, like that, just in case you need to adjust it. I'll get rid of the label, I don't need the label. Now you start the process with equals. And then you're bringing in the field, you type the field. So in square brackets, I'm going first name, do that again, square brackets, first name, close square brackets. So that, as it is at the moment, would just bring in the first name. But what I need to do is join it to a space. Now the feature that you need to use is the and sign. I'm going to call it a glue point. And to do a space, you need to open quotes, press your space bar, close quotes. That is just a space. And then you do an and then you bring the next field in, which in this case is going to be surname, like so. So I'm just going to check that works and click off that and have a look. So that's worked. It's got John space Brown, Paul space Wright. So that's working fine. I'll go back in there and add a few more things to it. So now I want to come down a line. So I'm pressing Control and Enter to come down a line, and I want to do company. In fact, before I do that, let's add some extra text on the end there. So I'll do another glue point, and then text space is a member of space, close quotes, Control Enter, and sign, and then type the company. Close the square bracket on the company. See if this one works. Now that's jumped up there. We'll have to sort that out. So John Brown is a member of Scratch It. Now if I want that to be down, what I've got to do is a member of, if I get after the of and do Control Enter, that should knock that down. Let's have a look. And it does knock it down. So you've got it there. It's a nice little sentence. So if this grew, this person's name grew, or had a person with a really long second name, it's going to be within this box. Now if I go back into it and carry it on, so after company, you've got some other fields here. So you've got his member of the company, and then I do another glue point, and then quote, and then I'll do Control Enter. Then you type in your sentence. The company was space. Now I want founded, date founded, in square brackets. Let's see what that looks like. I've missed off a glue point there. After the quotes, you have to have a glue point. See if that works. Have a look. So that's got it there. So the company, so John John Brown is a member of Scratch IT. The company was founded, I should put there, and then in. So let's go back into that. Company was founded in, and then let's have a look at that and have another look. Company was founded in, and that's the field coming in there. So that's the process you just go through. You keep checking it, so make sure you've got spaces where there should be spaces, and that you've got the and sign joining the field to the text. And then eventually you'll have the completed item, and this will just grow and shrink as your database grows and shrink. As new people come on, or you lose customers in this case, they will disappear. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can join text together with field information in a report. The feature is called concatenation. So thanks for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one.